Get into the 2016 Hyundai Genesis. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a view of this exceptional Hyundai Genesis, the premium sedan that leverages powerful performance, upscale luxury, and safety and infotainment tech to maximize comfort, security, and driver satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat. Elevate your daily drive in this premium Genesis. Come in for a road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.